Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to share your screen on Zoom. First, ensure you are in an active Zoom meeting, either as a host or a participant. Look for the prominent green Share Screen button, typically found in the meeting controls at the bottom of your screen. Clicking this button will open a new window, presenting you with various sharing choices. This initial step is crucial for setting up your presentation effectively and engaging your audience. Once the sharing options window appears, you'll see several choices. You can share your entire desktop, which displays everything on your screen, or select a single application window, like a web browser or a document. For interactive sessions, the whiteboard option is excellent. You can even share content directly from an iPhone or iPad, offering great flexibility for mobile presentations. Make your selection carefully to ensure your audience sees exactly what you intend. Before finalizing your share, look at the bottom left of the sharing window for two important checkboxes. If your shared content includes audio, such as a video or music, make sure to check Share Sound so your audience can hear it clearly. For sharing videos, selecting Optimize for Video Clip will enhance the frame rate and overall quality, providing a much smoother viewing experience for everyone. These small adjustments make a big difference. After making your selections and optimizations, click the blue Share button in the bottom right corner to start sharing. You'll notice a green border around the shared area, confirming it's visible to others. When you're ready to stop, simply move your mouse to the top of the screen to reveal the meeting controls, and then click the prominent red Stop Share button. This action will immediately end your screen broadcast, returning control to the main meeting view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.